Hello and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Bryan Fagan. If you are currently living abroad but need to file for divorce in Texas, you might feel uncertain about how to begin. The good news, Texas law allows you to file even from overseas as long as you have specific residence and procedural requirements are met. Today I will walk you through the step-by-step guide to filing a Texas divorce while you're living outside of the U.S. To file for divorce in Texas, at least one spouse must meet two requirements: be a resident of Texas for at least 6 months and be a resident of a specific county where you plan to file for at least 90 days. If you're the one abroad and your spouse still lives in Texas, you may be able to file for Texas in their county of residence. Identify the appropriate county court where you or your spouse last resided. If your spouse lives in Harris County, for example, you'd file for divorce through the Harris County District Clerk. This step ensures that jurisdiction prevents delays. You or your attorney can file an original petition for divorce with the district clerk of the appropriate county. If you're overseas, a Texas-based attorney can file it on your behalf and electronically manage your documents through the state's e-filing system. Texas law requires your spouse to properly be served with notice of the divorce. If they are in the U.S., you can use a process server or sheriff. If they're abroad, you may need to follow the international rules for service such as the Hague Convention, depending on the country. One of the benefits of modern technology is that many courts now allow remote appearances via Zoom. If your case becomes contested, you may be able to attend hearings and even final proceedings from abroad. Once all issues like property, support, and custody are resolved, Texas court will issue a final order called a final divorce decree. If it's uncontested, you might need to attend in person at all. Your attorney can submit the decree for the judge's signature and finalize everything remotely. Always work with an experienced Texas divorce attorney who understands your unique challenges of filing from abroad. They'll handle paperwork, service, and communication with the court so you can focus on your transition. So yes, you can absolutely file for divorce in Texas while living abroad as long as the legal foundations are in place. Like and subscribe for more family law insights, and don't forget to schedule a free 30-minute consultation with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We are here to guide you across borders with experience and clarity. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and take care. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.